Hi there! If you're interested in improving the physical properties of your soil, you've probably heard of Perlite and Vermiculite. These two commonly used soil amendments can help improve drainage, aeration, and moisture retention in soil. But which one is right for your needs? Let's start by talking about Perlite. Perlite is a lightweight inert material that is made by heating volcanic glass to high temperatures. The resulting material is very porous and provides good aeration to the soil, which helps improve root growth. Perlite also does not compact over time, so it maintains good drainage and air circulation in soil. Additionally, Perlite is relatively inexpensive and readily available. However, Perlite does have some drawbacks because it doesn't hold onto water well. It may not be the best choice for plants that require consistent moisture. This means you may need to water more frequently if you use Perlite in your soil mix. Additionally, Perlite is a non-renewable resource, so its extraction and use can have environmental impacts. Now let's talk about Vermiculite. Vermiculite is a naturally occurring mineral that is heated and expanded to create a lightweight, spongy material. It has a high water holding capacity and can help retain moisture in soil, making it a good choice for plants that require consistent moisture. Vermiculite is also a good source of nutrients like magnesium and potassium, which can be slowly released to plants over time. Lastly, Vermiculite can improve soil structure and making it easier for the roots to grow and absorb nutrients. However, Vermiculite does have some downsides as well. It is more expensive than Perlite and may not be as readily available. Vermiculite can also break down over time and become compacted, reducing its ability to retain moisture and provide good aeration to the soil. Lastly, some Vermiculite deposits have been found to contain asbestos, so it's important to purchase Vermiculite from a reputable source. So which one is right for you? It really depends on your specific needs. If you are looking for a lightweight, inexpensive material that provides good aeration to soil, Perlite may be the best choice for you. If you need a material that can help retain moisture in soil, Vermiculite may be a better option. Or you may choose to use a combination of the two, depending on the specific needs of your plants and soil. In conclusion, both Perlite and Vermiculite have their pros and cons. It's important to carefully consider your specific needs and the needs of your plants before making a decision. By doing so, you can choose the best soil amendment for your garden or farm and help ensure healthy and success of your plants. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.